Neuse River in the fall. Beautiful fall foliage by Neuse River. This greenway by Neuse River, you can get access to the river or from a few neighborhoods as well. You can hear birds, hear traffic. Water is flowing very gently. You can see a little fog on the top of the river because the temperature difference in the early morning. Fall is such a beautiful and colorful season. It's magical as well. The sky is blue and high. The water is quiet and low. Enjoy the fall. Take a walk. Stare at the fall foliage. Listen to the bird chirping. Have fun.